एक जिल्लो एक उत्पादन ही आगळी वेगळी अशी नवी संकल्पना केंद्र सरकारान हाडल्या. गोंयच्या संदर्भात उत्तर गोंया खातीर ODOP उपक्रमा अंतर्गत काजू पयलें उत्पादन जाल्यार फेणी दुसरें उत्पादन म्हूण वेचलां. दक्षिण गोंयांत फेणी पयलें आनी काजू दुसरें उत्पादन म्हूण वेचलां. केंद्रीय वाणिज्य आनी उद्देग राज्यमंत्री सोम प्रकाशान सांगलें. पत्रकार परिशदेक केंद्रीय वाणिज्य आनी उद्देग राज्यमंत्री सोम प्रकाशा बरोबर पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे, पर्यटन खात्याचो संचालक सुनील अंचिपिका, स्वेतिका सचन हजर आसलीं. राज्यांतली खाशेली उत्पादनां एकाच पांख्या मेळटलीं. युनिटी मॉलांत एक जिल्लो एक उत्पादन हे संकल्पने खाला थळाव्यो हस्तकला वस्तू मेळटल्यो खंय. आयकात सोम प्रकाशाक.
Which has its vision is that every district has the potential as the country has the potential. Same the district has also potential. Under this scheme, more than 1,000 products has been identified in 761 districts. In Goa also, 2 districts of Goa have identified their products, which are North Goa Cashew nuts, and secondary product is Feni. South Goa Feni is the first product, primary product, and Cashew is the second product. This scheme, Government of India is giving attention, giving very importance to this scheme to give quality production, marketing of these products. We are requesting to list all the products on that so that the government also purchases from that place.
एक जिल्लो एक उत्पादना खातीर केंद्र सरकारा कडल्यान गोंय सरकाराक उर्बा मेळटली. गोंय सरकारान युनिटी मॉलाचो प्रस्ताव दिवचो. ते खातीर केंद्रान 100 कोटींची तरतूद केल्या. विविध उत्पादनांचे प्रदर्शन करपाक ODOP ही एक बरी येवजण. युनिटी मॉल ही भारत सरकाराची एक आगळी वेगळी संकल्पना. गोंयान युनिटी संदर्भात परिपूर्ण आराखडो दिवचो अशें सोम प्रकाशान सांगलें.
Under this scheme, Government of India will give finance to the every state 50-year interest-free loan, so that for this Goa 100 crores have been allocated. So mall will have the places for all the states. All the states will one district one product will be displayed there, and this state products which have been identified, they will be displayed.
I would like to thank our Honorable Union Minister for his visit to Goa, especially guiding us, mentoring us with his team of Invest India, and telling us what best we need to do to carry the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister in getting the Unity Mall in Goa. The Unity Mall concept, as our Honorable Union Minister has said, is very important for every state, and we being a tourism state, it is very more important as we start showcasing Goa. When we talk about Goa beyond beaches and we move away, we need to also ensure that the tourists are able to explore much more.
GOA365 खातीर डिलन रॉड्रिग्स आनी संगीता ओली.